Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 135, that Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu, O you believe, stand out firmly for justice as witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if it be against yourself, against your parents, against your relatives, whether it be rich or poor, for Allah protects both. That means if you have to stand for justice, as giving shahada, as giving witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah says, stand for justice even if you have to speak against yourself, against your parents, against your relatives, irrespective whether the people are rich or poor, for Allah protects all. That means where it comes to justice, where it comes to truth, justice is far superior to blood relationships. The brotherhood of faith supersedes all the other brotherhood. And the brotherhood of faith, the universal brotherhood, is based on the basic concept of belief in one creator, one Almighty God, one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is preached by all the religions. And the Quran says, as I mentioned earlier, in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 64, that ta'alaw ila qalmatin sawa'in baynana wa baynakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah. Only believing in one Almighty God is not sufficient. You should also worship only one Almighty God. And only if you believe and worship Almighty God, who's one, will universal brotherhood prevail. Without the concept of one Almighty God, brotherhood and humanity cannot prevail in the full world. And the glorious Quran says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 108, that revile not those people, abuse not those people who worship God besides Allah, lest in their ignorance they will revile Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I would like to end my talk by giving the quotation of the glorious Quran from Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 1, which says, Ya ayyuhan nasu ttaqu rabbakum allazi khalaqakum min nafsin wa idha khalaqa minha zawjaha. That, O humankind, reverence your guardian Lord, who has created you from a single person and created like nature his mate, and has scattered like seeds countless men and women. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.